As a professional service company, it was really important for Epitech to be able to drill into the data and the project information, so costs, the revenue. The granular detail that Intacct is able to provide to Epitech is really important and necessary. My name is Melissa Duval. I'm the finance team lead at Epitech. Epitech did not have the visibility onto the project information in Microsoft Dynamics. When we switched to Intacct, we were able to build all those reports, and now we can provide the executives with that information per project. Our consulting partner, AltaVista, helped us make the decision to switch to Intacct because one of Epitech's biggest goals for the year was to move everything to the cloud. The AltaVista team has been working with Epitech for probably the last 10 to 20 years, so they definitely know our business and they definitely know what Epitech needs. When we were using Microsoft Dynamics, we had to be on site at all times if we even wanted to use Great Plains. AltaVista, made it very clear that we can go to the cloud. They also made it very clear that Intacct is tailored for professional services, so that was the biggest key when switching to Intacct. Our payroll and billing is on a weekly basis. We used to have to pull an import file out of the Epilink system and had to bring it in through a third-party system. And so there's 3 systems involved, and there's a lot of room for error. We were able to save a day, and although that might not seem like a lot of time, when we're processing on a weekly basis, that's important time that we got back to the finance team. Sage Intacct has put us in a good spot for expanding our entities. Epitech has had a growth of to $100 million in revenue. With the automations like the API, we're able to keep up with all the transactions and get through the weekly closes, the monthly closes without any issues. The way that we can set up the entities, it's so awesome how fast you can do it. AltaVista was able to set up a new entity for Epitech in less than a day. The thing I like best about Sage Intacct is definitely the fact that I can work 2 remote days a week. That's huge. That I get to leave the office at 3:30 and I get to go home with my little puppy and train her, and it's awesome.